Greetings, my king.
Come, Saranga. King Himabindu has sent an invitation to honor you.
Why would the king, who has always longed for the throne of Vijayanagar, extend an invitation to honor him? This thought was bothering Saranga. Saranga was well aware of Himabindu's intentions, and that's why he wanted that when he goes to meet the king, along with the soldiers, there should be some people in his entourage who are clever and intelligent. Saranga went to search for such people in disguise.
Catch them! Catch them! Catch them! Catch them! Get hold of them! Catch them!
Catch them! Let's go and find them. Did they go inside?
Chungi, they have come.
It's not a thieves inside, but
The clever and intelligent individual Saranga was looking for, he found them in the form of Chungi and Mungi. Saranga included them in his entourage. At this time, King Himabindu's camp was near the borders of Vijayanagar. Any attempt by him to conquer Vijayanagar couldn't withstand Saranga's cleverness.
None of our politics or strategies to conquer Vijayanagar worked due to Saranga.
A few moments more, my king. Saranga has accepted our invitation. We will offer him such a deal that he won't be able to refuse.
Come, Saranga, you're welcome.
Greetings, my king. Please accept these gifts from the talented citizens of our kingdom, king.
Wow, amazing. We also want to honor you, Saranga. Come on inside. Come, Saranga, come. This is your gift.
My king? What is this?
I declare you the king of Vijayanagar.
No, my king. Forgive me, but I am not the rightful owner of the crown, but King Raja Vidyadhar.
The king offered Saranga all kinds of tempting gifts to bring him to his side.
Take this, Saranga.
No, my king.
Bring him more.
Despite seeing so much of wealth, Saranga did not agree to betray his king. In anger, the king ordered his soldiers.
Put him behind bars.
Seeing the condition of their minister, everyone understood that they were in big trouble. Now, there was only one way to escape.
I've heard that the queen has a passion for collecting beautiful shawls. If we make her happy by presenting her with a shawl, we might request to spare the minister in return.
Great! Then we should immediately gift her a shawl and save our minister.
But there is no shawl left. The one we had has been gifted to the king.
While the discussion was going on, Chungi Mungi went to do their work.
The sound was coming from here only. Let's see there.
Everything happened as per the plan. The shawl went from Chungi Mungi to Manu's hands and then to the queen's.
Wow, I have never seen such a soft and beautiful shawl before. I am very happy. Tell me, what is its price?
Manu asked for his minister's freedom in exchange of the shawl.
What? Okay, as you wish.
At night, after the king had relished a delicious meal cooked by the queen, then
What am I saying? Please let him go.
Let's talk tomorrow.
Listen to me. Just leave him.
All right, as you say.
Release Minister Saranga respectfully early in the morning.
What?
This is the king's order.
Okay.
but there was another problem here. They had to leave the place before morning, because early in the morning the secret would be revealed that the shawl they used to release Saranga was the one gifted to the king. In such difficult times, Mungi came up with a solution. He turned the night into a day.
The morning came quite early today.
Not just the soldiers, but also King Himabindu woke up with the sound of the rooster.
It's already morning and the rooster has crowed as well. Now release the minister.
All right, all right.
Who? Soldiers! Who released the minister?
My king, it was your order to release him early in the morning.
But it's not yet morning. Catch them!
I saw them running in this direction. Where did they go?
Search for them quickly. Don't let them escape. Huh?
Run quickly, the king has arrived.
Catch them! Now this laughter of yours is of no use, Saranga.
Look around you, my king. You are at the borders of Vijayanagar. Think before you do anything. I can arrest you for trespassing across the borders.
And thus, Saranga and Chungi Mungi together foiled Himabindu's plan.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.